What's up, everybody? Today is my mother's birthday, and I want to share with you the top 5 things that I've learned from her. Alright, I know you're saying it's your mother's birthday. Why don't you just talk to her, wish her happy birthday? But I wanted to share with you all some of the things that I've learned from her because I feel that they can be helpful for you as well. Number 1, work hard, hustle harder. I get my entrepreneurial mindset and spirit from my mother. This work hard, hustle hard mentality has taught me that there are no excuses, even when you have a valid one. So for those of you all who don't know, my mother has MS, multiple sclerosis, was diagnosed in 1999, but I haven't seen her, stop or give up on life or dreams or anything. So granted, she may not have worked a normal job, but she's helped with so many different projects. She's helped other people with their businesses. She's helped and encouraged my sisters to continue to have our work hard, hustle harder mentality. So things don't have to slow you down. You can still contribute to other people, contribute to your community, contribute to your church, contribute to your family. Work hard, hustle harder, no excuses. Number 2, if the kitchen isn't clean, you're not going to eat. My mother does not like cooking in a dirty kitchen. So when we were younger, even when we didn't listen, if she came home from work or wherever she was and the kitchen wasn't clean, she wasn't going to cook. That was a principle that she was just like, I don't like cooking in a dirty kitchen. And to this day, I don't like cooking in a dirty kitchen. I would have to clean the entire kitchen before I actually start the cooking process. So we learned early that if we wanted to eat, not that she would starve us, but it's like clean the kitchen. Especially if we were old enough, clean the kitchen. Let them start with a clean slate so she can cook, and then you clean it up afterwards as well. So do your friends, your family a favor. If you are not planning on doing the cooking, at least clean the kitchen. Number 3, fix your face and think on your feet. What does it mean to fix your face? Well, that concept came from, even if you're not feeling well, the whole world doesn't have to know. Why would you go around with the mopey face? I'm sick, I have a headache, and all this other stuff, bringing down the rest of the world and making them feel sorry for you. So she was like, fix your face. If you're not feeling well, the whole world doesn't have to know. Do what you have to do, muscle through the day, and stop making other people uncomfortable. Thinking on your feet. When things are not going great, or when things are going great, you need to be thinking fast, knowing what the next move, or at least what the next decision will have to be if you need to take action. There's no sense in crying and panicking over what may or may not happen in the next couple moments. You need to be able to think on your feet to make a decision so that you are not continuously struggling in whatever situation that you may be in. So fix your face and think on your feet. Laugh, cry, and then laugh again. Laughter is a huge part of my family. We pick on each other quite often, which has given us a tough skin. But we also know the importance, and it's okay to cry. But then also, you need to laugh again. So there's not much that we hold on to long term when it comes down to things that haven't gone our way. We're also down for a good laugh. Even if we have to revisit some hard situations, it's good to know that we can revisit them, unpack it a little bit and find the laughter in it. Rejoice in the fact that we've overcome and be able to share in the joy that we're in a better place now. So you can laugh. Please laugh. It's good for your soul. It's good for it's good for everybody. Cry. It's okay to cry. We all have emotions. It's a good outlet. And then laugh again. Number 5, God's got you. Flat out. Up and down, plain as day. Things can go awesome. Things can go horrible. But God's got you. You're not alone in this thing. It's awesome that, many of us have friends and family to go through life with. But at the end of the day, whatever your particular beliefs are, if you believe in a higher power, that He's got you. So those are 5 things I wanted to share on my mother's birthday that I have learned throughout my lifetime. And I want to thank you, Mom, so much for everything that you've taught me and continue to teach me. And I pray that you continue to have more years ahead of you, more strength, more love, more laughs, as we continue to share this journey together. I'll even sing for you real quick. You ready? You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Everybody else, if you have some things that your mom, your parents, your guardian, your mentor has shared with you, something that's paramount and awesome, drop that below. Share it with the world. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.